Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where every rider finds the latest updates on upcoming bikes and future launches. Today's video explores the new 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 150, a motorcycle that continues its legacy of refinement, comfort, and long-lasting performance. Honda has brought back the Unicorn in a refreshed 2026 avatar, combining its trusted DNA with modern upgrades. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 150 carries forward the classic commuter look but now appears more premium and sharper. Honda has updated the fuel tank with new aerodynamic lines, a refreshed 3D Unicorn emblem, and redesigned side panels. The bike maintains its elegant simplicity while introducing modern touches like an LED headlamp setup and a sleek, compact taillight. The overall design still appeals to riders who prefer a mature, clean, and timeless commuter style. At the heart of the new Unicorn 150 is Honda's refined 150 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, tuned for smooth city performance and exceptional mileage. The engine now meets updated emission norms and offers better fuel mapping for improved throttle response. Honda has optimized the engine's low-end torque, making daily commuting effortless, especially in stop-and-go traffic. The riding experience remains vibration-free, stable, and extremely comfortable, true to Unicorn tradition. Comfort has always been the Unicorn's strongest point, and the 2026 model raises the bar even higher. The bike now offers a more cushioned, wider seat designed for longer journeys without fatigue. The suspension setup includes a telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear, providing smooth ride quality over rough patches and speed breakers. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, making it ideal for both office commuters and long-distance riders. Honda has equipped the 2026 Unicorn 150 with several practical upgrades. The motorcycle now features a semi-digital instrument cluster that displays gear position, real-time mileage, fuel economy, and maintenance alerts. It also includes an engine start/stop switch for better fuel efficiency. Essential safety features like single-channel ABS, improved braking response, and side-stand engine cutoff make the bike safer and smarter for everyday riders. Fuel efficiency remains a major highlight of the Unicorn series. Thanks to Honda's advanced tuning, the 2026 Unicorn 150 offers impressive mileage suitable for budget-focused riders. The combination of lightweight design, smooth aerodynamics, and efficient engine calibration ensures low running cost without sacrificing performance. Honda is expected to price the 2026 CB Unicorn 150 competitively within the commuter segment. The launch is aimed at riders looking for reliability, durability, and the legendary Honda stability. With its refined design and trusted performance, the new Unicorn is ready to reclaim its spot as one of the most dependable 150 cubic centimeters motorcycles. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 150 blends tradition with modern engineering. It stays true to its reputation of comfort and reliability while offering improved styling, features, and riding dynamics. For riders who want a smooth, long-lasting, and practical motorcycle, the 2026 Unicorn stands out as a strong and trustworthy option.